Nitita. In today's video, we will be learning about place values. So in lesson number 1, number system, exercise 1.2. So you all have learned the place values from your very first standard. You would have learned ones and hundreds, and in your previous classes you would have read till 10,000. And today you will be learning some more places. So what are the places which you know? You always start from 1. That's the smallest place. As you move towards your left side, the values become more. Okay? So 1. And when you group 10 ones, means you take 1, and you group 10 ones together, it becomes 10. Same thing, if you group 10 tens together, it becomes 100. All these things you know. So this all will be multiples of 10. 1 into 10 becomes 10. 10 into 10 becomes 100. 100 into 10 becomes 1000. 1000 into 10 becomes 10,000. So all these are multiples of 10. So the places are 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and you also have crore. Next comes 10 crore. All these are the place values, and you have two different place values which will be seen in the next video. This particular place value chart is called as Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart. This is called Indian place value chart. So any number you take should be placed in the places so that you can learn many things in that. So what are the terms which you learn? Let us see now. You will learn how to pronounce the name of a number, whether you should put the commas correctly, how to expand them, what would be the predecessor, what would be the successor. All these things you will be learning only when you place the numbers in their respective places. So let's take a number and see. So see, you have such a big number, and 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 1, 5. This is how you read a number? No. See, when you have the number together, these are called digits. So how many digits you have in this number is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits are here. So let's place one by one in their respective places. So we will always start from the right and place from 1 place. 5 in 1 place, 1 in 10 place, 4 in 100 place, 6 in 1000 place, 3 in 10,000 place, 2 lakh place, and 1 in 10 lakh place. Okay, now we have finished writing the numbers in the places. I'll teach you something now. We have to group the number places also, children here. See, the first 3 is one particular group, and it is called as one period. The name of this group is one period. The first 3 places. Similarly, the next 2 places are one group, and it is called as 1000 period. 1000 period. Similarly, next you have 2 grouped together called as lakh period. Lakh period. And next 2, crore and 10 crore, that will be a separate period and called as crore period. Why did I teach you this grouping is, each group you will have the numbers right, in that each group should be separated with a comma. So, first 3 numbers is one group, right? So, you have to put comma here. Next 2 is one group, so put a comma. And next 2 is group, but you don't have any number here, so no need of putting a comma. So, each group should be separated with a comma like this. This is how you place a comma to a given number. Let me give you one more number. group, next to one group, next to one group. It's like this. First 3, next everything is 2 groups. So now you know to place a comma. So after placing comma, you know which are the groups it belongs to? Yes. So which group is this? 1 period, 1000 period, and this is lakh period. So now you can tell this number in name. That is 12 lakh 33,000. You should just tell the number with their group. Because this is one group, you should not say it as 1 and 2. You should say it as 12. 1, 2, 12. So this is 12 lakh. The group is lakh. So 12 lakh 36,415. You will not say 1, right? So if you multiply with 1, you get the same number. So you will just tell 415 for the last group. This is how we read a number. Now let us write the number in the same manner. However we read it, we write it in spelling the same way. So 12 lakh, write 12 in spelling. 12 and place is, the group is lakh. Next is 36, write 36 in spelling. 36, which group? 1000. So write 1000. And the last group is 415. So write that in words. 400 and 15. So you all know the number names already. Only the thing is you have to add the group name when you have the groups here. That's it. Now you all know how to write the name, write the name of the number, read the name of the number, how to keep a commas in that order. Now let's know how to find the place value. Place value. Value means how much is that number weigh. So you know the place. This is the place of 5 plus 1. So 1 is 1 here, right? So 10, I can write this number like this. 100 in number, 1000 in number, 10,000 also in number, lakh, yes I can write that also in number, 10 lakh also can be written in number. So even crore also can be written in number. To find the place value, children, you have to just take the number which is in that place, multiply with that place. In number we have 1 here, no? 5 will be multiplied with 1. So what is the place value of 5? 5 1 is the 5. This is the place value of 5 here. Now let's take the place value of 1. 1 into 10. 1 10 is 10. So place value of 1 is 10. What's the place value of 4 in this? 4 multiplied with 100 will be 400. So place value of 4 is 400. So as with place value of 1 in this, see 1 is there also, but 1 is here also. 1 place value here is 10 because it is in 10 place. 1 place value here will be 10 lakh. Multiply with 10 lakh. 1 into 10 lakh is 10 lakh. 10 lakh. Okay, children? So just check number of zeros will go on increasing. That's it. There are no 0, 1 0, 2 zeros, next comes 3 zeros, 4 zeros, 5 zeros, and you have 6 zeros here. And zeros goes on increasing. That's the difference, children. Next, see now. So what's the place value of 6 in this? 6 into 1000, 6,000. 3 into 10,000. 30,000. 3 10 are 30 and 3 zeros. 30,000. And 2 is in lakh. So right? 2 into lakh is 2 lakh. 1 into 10 lakh is 10 lakh only. So here I have found out the place values of each number in this. So each digit in this number. This is how you find the place value. So how will you expand it? Expanding is nothing but writing all the place values along with a flash. Okay, so this will be learning in the next video. Before going for the expansion, let us complete the few mains in the classwork. All of you take your classwork book, pencil and also your textbook. So students, let's continue the classwork part. Now in the previous class we finished exercise 1.1. Now let's continue exercise 1.2. So write first exercise EXERCISE, exercise 1.2. First main, read the number and write the number names. So let's write, the heading will be write number names. Write number names. For questions, you can refer your textbook, page number 88. So leave one line and write the first question. You can see that it's 12,48,636. So how did we pronounce the number? Same thing will be writing it. So 12 lakh. Write TWELVE. 12 LAKH. Lakh. Next one is 48,000. Write FORTY. 40 EIGHT 8. 48,000. THOUSAND 1000. And next is 636. SIX 6. HUND RED 100. 600. AND and THIRTY 30. SIX 6. 12,48,636. Let's go for the second one. Leave one line and write the second one. 9,68,230. Write capital NINE. 9. LAKH lakh. 68. SIXTY 60. 8. EIGHT 8,000. THOUSAND 1000. 200 and TWO 2. HUND RED 100. AND and THIRTY 30. 9,68,230. Let's try the next one, third one. 86,60,462. So EIGHTY 80. SIX 6. 86 lakh. SIXTY 60,000. THOUSAND 1000. FOUR 4. HUND RED 100 and 62. SIXTY 60. TWO 2 62. Now write next fourth one. 3,73,481. So let's write the spellings. 3 THREE 3 lakh 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 73,000 SCVENTY 70 THREE 73, THOUS AND 1000, FOUR 4, 100, HUNDRED 100, and EIGHTY 81. Okay children, rest of them we will try to do it in the homework part. Now let's go for the second main, wherein you have to write the numbers for the given number names. So write WRIT, write in figures. FIGURES, write in figures, full stop. So I want you to copy the first 3 questions from the textbook children. You can refer page 88. You should copy the first 3 questions, leave place for the answer. So see children, I have copied the question from the textbook and I have left one line for answer because you will not have sufficient place to write the number here. We have to write in the next line. So leave one line and then again leave one line after answer and write the second question. Okay. I have copied the 4th question also because that is in crores, which you will be confused. So I am going to show you the 4th one also. So what is the number here? You can pause the video, copy the question and then come back, check the answers children. 7 lakh. So first I'll write 7 lakh. 5,000. No, after lakh you should get 10,000's place because there is no 10,000 here. I'm going to add 0 there. And you have 1,000, 5,000. 5, 466. So write 466. So this is the answer. Same way, let's go see the second one. 3 lakh. So write 3, 41,000. So you have 10,000 place also, 1,000 place also. 41,233. So write 233. Next, 5 lakh 66,000. 5 in lakh place, 66,840. 840. Check the commas also children. Next comes 4 crore. After 10 lakh you get crore. So you write 4 crore 20 lakh. So 20 lakh 6,000. You don't have 10,000, so 0 in 10,000's place. Only 6 you have. So 6,005. You don't have hundreds, you don't have tens, you have only 5 in the ones place. This is the 4th answer. So next we'll go for the third mean. Write in expanded form. Copy the heading. Write in expanded form. So first one, leave one line, write 6, 4, 5, 2, 3, 7, 8. Children, there is a mistake in the commas in the textbook. See, the comma should not be here, it should be here. This is scratch. So let me write the question once again. It is, first write the number and then we only will insert the commas. So this is the number children. How will you expand it? Answer. First, I will write 6. And how many number of zeros I should put? Count the numbers in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write 6 zeros. And then insert the commas accordingly. Again put plus, write the next number 4. Count after that how many zeros should I put? So I should put 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And insert the commas. Plus next 5. I should put 4 zeros. Okay, and comma. Plus next number 2 with 3 zeros. Plus 3. Plus next number 7. Plus 8. See children, I have counted the number of zeros after those numbers and I have done this. So you have seen the explanation. So even you should be able to do it. So let's see the next number. 32 crore 14 lakh 82,267. very simple. Again, answer. First, we'll write the first number. Count how many zeros I should put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. And then insert the commas wherever necessary. Plus, go to the next number 2. So now how many zeros I should put? 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Insert the comma. Next number plus 1. So here 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus next number 4 with 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus next number 8 with 4 zeros. Plus next number 2 with 3 zeros. I don't have place, so let's go for the next page. Plus next number 2 with 2 zeros. Next number 6 with 1 zero. Plus the number only. So I understood this expanded form. We'll go for the next number now. So let's copy the third question. 85 lakh 17,432. So children, now this expanded form we will write in words. Okay. So what you write? 8, 10 lakh. You write the place value of it, that's it. Plus 5 lakh plus 1 10,000 1 10,000 plus 7,000 plus 400 plus 310 plus 2 ones. So what did we do with this in the previous one? Instead of writing the number 8 and zeros, we wrote 8. Whatever is in the question, we wrote 8. And the place of that, 8 is in which place? It is in 10 lakhs place. So we wrote 8, 10 lakh, 5 lakh. Okay, and so on. Now let's go for the fourth one. 61 lakh 58,235. This also we write it in words. 6, 10 lakh plus 1 lakh plus 5 10,000 plus 8,000 plus 200 plus 310 plus 5 ones. Okay children, I will show you one more sum, the last one, which has a very big number. So let me copy J1 as my fifth question. 23 crore 61 lakh 28,762. So you can see the crores place here. You know this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Next comes crore and 10 crore. So we'll start with 2 10 crore plus 3 crore plus 6 10 lakh plus 1 lakh plus 2 10,000 plus 8,000 plus 700 plus 6 tens plus 2 ones. So I hope you have understood all the sums which we have done today. Any doubts we can discuss in the interactive class, children. Please complete your class work and I'll be checking it in the interactive class. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.